are going to start some multiple choice question, MCQ, and also answer on welding technology under production technology, Module 3. Question number 1. Arc welding uses following electric supply. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C, both AC and DC. AC arc welding is commonly used for downhand heavy plate weld, fast fill, while DC welding is better for welding thinner metals. Question number 2. The welding process in which heat is produced for welding chemical reaction is known as. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D, thermite welding. Thermite welding is a chemical welding process. The reaction involves the burning of thermite, which is a mixture of fine aluminum powder and iron oxide in the ratio of 1:3 by weight. Question number 3. It is required to permanently connect the end of a structural steel angle to a vertical plate. The following type would be preferred. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B, fillet welding. Fillet welding is preferred for permanently connect the end of a structural steel angle to a vertical plate. Question number 4. In which welding process the parts are heated to a welding temperature and then mechanical force is applied at the ends to unite the metals? There are 4 options. Correct answer is D, forge welding. Forge welding is a solid state welding by heating them in plastic state to a high temperature and then hammering them together. Question number 5. For welding steel by Mech process, the gas used is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B, carbon dioxide. Question number 6. For welding titanium by Mech process, the gas used is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A, pure argon gas. Question number 7. For welding stainless steel by Mech process, The gas used is, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C, argon oxygen mixture. Okay. Question number 8. In Mech welding, the metal is transferred in the form of, there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. In Mech welding, metal is transferred in the form of a fine spray of metal. Question number 9. Thermite welding is a form of, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Thermite welding is a form of fusion welding. Fusion welding is a process that uses heat to joint or fuse 2 or more materials by heating them to melting point. Question number 10. Distortion in welding occurs due to, there are 4 options. Correct answer is B, improper clamping method. If improper clamping, then distortion in welding occurs. Distortion in a weld results from the expansion and contraction of the weld metal and adjacent base metal during the heating and cooling cycle of the welding process. Question number 11. In which of the following welding technique the weld pool is surrounded by an inert gas? Surrounded by an inert gas. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C, Mech welding. Okay. Question number 12. The striking voltage at the beginning as compared to voltage during welding in arc welding is, there are 4 options. Correct answer is B, more. Striking voltage is more than when welding is running. Okay. Question number 13. The arc length in electric arc welding is the distance between the tip of the electrode and there are 4 options. Correct answer is B, center of the catar. Welding length means distance between tip of the electrode and center of catar. Okay. Question number 14. For micro welding application mainly used in electronics instrument welding, the most suitable welding technique is, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C, laser welding. Laser welding is used for micro welding. Question number 15. Which of the following metal can be suitably welded by TIG welding? There are 4 options. Aluminium, stainless steel, magnesium. Correct answer is D, all of the above. All of the above material are suitable welded by TIG welding. Question number 16. In Mech welding, helium and argon is used in order to, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C. In order to act as sliding medium, helium and argon gas are used act as sliding medium. Question number 17. Inadequate penetration in case of welding operation will lead to, there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. For inadequate penetration in welding, there is form crack formation. Question number 18. Seam welding is, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Seam welding is continuous spot welding. Question number 19. The following gas is used in tungsten-inert-gas welding. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Argon gas is used in tungsten-inert-gas welding. Question number 20. Which of the following material is best weldable with itself? There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Mild steel is weld with itself. Best weld with itself.